Good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Zeba Khanam, librarian in Karamat Hussain Muslim Girls PG College. Today, I am going to teach a presentation. The topic of my presentation is Information Communication Technology. Information communication technology is a wider term that includes computer, storage technology, audio, video conferencing technologies, and fax, emails. All these things are included in information communication technology. Information communication technology has drastically changed the world from the agrarian society to the information based society, and it's also make a gap between the information based countries or the other are that are lacking in the information based countries. And it is now necessary that all the countries and all the pupils are now able to communicate the information in a much and better ways. Now I am going to present my presentation, and here these are the slides. First, if we introduce the ICT, this is the introductory slide. During the last 50 years, the world had witnessed important changes, in particularly information communication changes, not only in one sphere, but in all the spheres of life that includes politics, economics, sports, academics. In all the spheres of lives, now pupils are implementing ICT, and the libraries are not lagging behind it. Libraries are also change its nature, and they have obvious remarkable changes in their daily operation services. Now they are identified a new and active role of librarian. As the ICT is implemented in libraries, new technologies are implemented in libraries, so the librarian are also become more active, and they are now change their attitude towards the ICT tools and gadgets, and they are now updated themselves in using of these ICT tools and gadgets. ICT is stand for, as you all know, that information and communication technology, and it is defined in as a diverse set of technological tools that includes not only computer but all other communication tools and resources used to communicate and to create, disseminate, store, and in manage information. All the resources that are includes in communicate the information, in creating and disseminating, store, and managing the information. All these tools are included in the information communication technologies. And now libraries are using ICT in all the spheres, from the library automation and networking, social networking tools. They are now using in ICTs. Digital libraries are becoming digital with the help of ICT. And information repositories, most of the libraries are now making their own information repositories in which their faculty publications are uploaded and other users are easily accessible them. Electronic resources, which includes e-books, e-journals, e-resources, all these are now available in the electronic form. And library consortia, this is very important, as the big universities are now becoming part of many consortia that enables user to access information and access their relative information to these consortia. As the ICT is now implemented, as we already discussed, so the new skills are also being updated or also being acquired by the library professionals. These includes basic knowledge of a personal computer, software knowledge skills, networking knowledge skills, downloading, how to download a software, computer security. This is important that most of the materials informations are uploaded on the computer, but computer security is also very important. Hardware knowledge, troubleshooting skills, digital library, how to create a digital library, what are the softwares that are there to create a digital libraries like DSpace, ePrints, etc. Metadata knowledge skills, bibliographic database skills, electronic delivery and document delivery services, and multimedia skills. And applications are of ICT in libraries, and ICT are now implemented in automations, and which includes various modules like online public access, catalog, reference service, bibliographic service. These are in ICT are now included in all the is sections of the library, and current awareness service, selective dissemination of service, electronic delivery, document delivery service, interlibrary loan and union catalog, audio visual services, internet, electronic thesis and dissertation, and QR codes. Library automation, as we know that library automation is the application of ICT to library in housekeeping operation and services. It is an integrated library system, is an automated library system in which all of the functional modules share a common bibliographic database. And automation, these are the modules: acquisition, accessing, cataloging, OPAC and web OPAC, indexing, abstracting, circulation, serial management, and reference. And the major library automation software packages includes Libsys, VTLS, Soul, CDS, NewGen, Lib, Koha. Koha is now very common as it is open source software. And ICT also includes RFID technology in libraries, which includes anti-theft detection, self-management, the Patron self-checkout station, counter station, RFID transponder or tagging, and book drops. And digital libraries also most of the libraries are made digital libraries. I have also made my own digital library in Karamat College. A digital library is a networked collection of digital objects that includes text, still images, moving images, sound, data, metadata that allow for discovery and presentation, supporting research and teaching, and with attention paid to architecture, persistence, longevity, and digital preservation. Digital conversation for the purpose of online access to an information resources, and it creates metadata for future digital conversation. And the well-known digital library softwares are DSpace, Greenstones, ePrints. Electronic resources are includes, as I already tell, that it includes e-books, e-journals, e-thesis and dissertations, and many more. And with the help of ICT, now electronic resources are now accessible by users, and these are the resources from where the electronic resources are now accessible, that is Indus, UGC, Infonet, Springer, Gate, Elsewhere, Gesto, IEEE, Delnet, Enlist, and Neptel from IIT's e-lectures. And there are some suggestions for the librarian that they should have the skills on ICT to implement in the library, and authority should be provided annual budget, sufficient trained staff should be provided, workshop, training and orientation required for upgrading of latest knowledge and technology. And here the conclusion that ICT is changing the work of libraries and information centers. Libraries need this technology. An increased number of users, a greater demand for library materials, and increase in the amount of material being published. So new electronic formats of and resources, and the development of new and cheaper computers are some of the reasons for the growing need for ICT in libraries. The librarian, library patron, and management should have developed ICT-based libraries to meet the changing demands of the user. So thank you very much. This is all about my presentation. I hope all of you understand. Thank you very much.